our first chapter, that what is the number system of class 9th. Number system, we know that all of us about the numbers, that means first one is the real numbers. नाम से ही पता चल रहा है कि जो रियली में है. रियल नंबर्स मीन्स दैट नंबर्स already present in mathematics, that is the real numbers. Real numbers are two types. First one is the with decimal and second one is the without decimal. Without decimal, like that 0 1 2 3, this dot 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 represents the infinite, means बहुत सारे नंबर है, काउंटेबल नहीं है. एंड देयर -1 -2 -3 also infinite. We can't find out how many the positive and negative. These all are called integers. These all are called integers. That means 0 1 2 3 and so on. 0 -1 -2 -3 and so on is called the integers. That all are called integers. After this, from the 0 this side, all are positive integers. 0 from this side, all are negative integers, and this one is zero integer. From 0 this side all are positive integer, from 0 this side all are negative integers, and 0 is called the zero integer. Then the positive integer is called natural number. What is called? Natural numbers means combination of all positive integers is called natural number. But when we include zero integer with this, then called whole number. Means when we include zero integer with the positive integer, this one converted into the whole number. Got it? Now we come to the decimal part. Decimal part, there are three types of decimal. First one is 1.2. 1.2 means ये डेसिमल एक पॉइंट के बाद में टर्मिनेट हो गया. टर्मिनेट मीन्स इसका एक्सपांशन क्या हो गया है? स्टॉप हो गया है. ये एक जगह पे आके रुक गया है. दैट इज कॉल्ड द टर्मिनेटिंग. इन दिस केस, after decimal, same value will be repeat 1 2 1 2 1 2 dot dot and so on. How many times repeated? We know that we don't know. That's why this is called non-terminating. मतलब वो terminate नहीं हो रहा है, plus repeating. Repeating means value क्या हो रही है? Repeat हो रही है. Then third one 1.1 2 3 4 5 and so on, also non-terminating. But in this case, value is not repeated. That's why this is called non-terminating, non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating. Both of types are called rational. Both of types are called rational, and this one is called irrational, and this one is called irrational. Rational, that we can write in the form of P upon Q. In the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers. Integers means without decimal value. Without decimal means any positive, any negative value, but without decimal. That's why P and Q are integers. And Q is not equals to 0. Q is not equals to 0. Q कभी भी 0 नहीं हो सकता. In case of Q is equals to 0, that means this is the infinite case, not defined. अभी तक मैथ्स में वो केस डिफाइन नहीं हुआ है. 1/0 ये ऐसा केस मैथ्स में अभी डिफाइन नहीं हुआ है. That is the p/q where q is not equals to 0. An irrational number we cannot write into p/q form. मीन्स जो भी नंबर्स है उनको हम लोग p/q की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. दैट इज कॉल्ड द इरेशनल नंबर. गॉट? अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ मूव ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट फ्यू टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स. This one is prime number. Prime number means always greater than 1. Prime number is always greater than 1 and counts only itself own table. Counts only itself own table. Like that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 17, 19 and so on. That means greater than 1. These all numbers are greater than 1 and comes only itself table. 2 comes only itself table. 2 किसी और के टेबल में नहीं आता. 5 किसी और के टेबल में नहीं आता. 7 किसी और के टेबल में नहीं आता. These all are the prime numbers. After this, even numbers. Multiplication of 2, that means comes in the table of 2. These all are the even numbers. Next one, not the multiplication of 2 means not comes in the table of 2. These all are the odd numbers. Any doubt in the prime number, even number or odd number? Okay. Now we move on the exercise part. The topic, find out the rational number between two rational numbers. We have two numbers, then we have to find two rational number, three rational number, five rational number between these two numbers. Like that example, there are two numbers 5 and 7. We have to find between these two numbers three rational numbers. Let's process their formula. R plus S upon 2. R plus S upon 2. This one is R and this one S. That means 5 plus 7 upon 2. 12 upon 2. Cancel out 6. Means 5, 6 and 7. 5 और 7 के बीच में एक नंबर कौन सा आ गया? 6 नंबर. After this we have to find two more. Then this time we take R is 5 and S is 6. Again process R plus S upon 2. 5 plus 6 upon 2. This one is 11 upon 2. That means 5, 11 upon 2, 6 and 7. We have find two rational number. Now we have to find one more. This time we use R is 6 and S is 7. Again process this follow R plus S upon 2, 6 plus 7 upon 2, 13 upon 2. That means 5, 11 upon 2, 6, 13 upon 2 and 7. So now we have find three rational number between 5 and 7. This one is 11 upon 2, 6 13 upon 2. Understand? So how we find out the rational number between these two numbers? By using this formula, r plus s upon 2. This one is the exercise 1.1. In the exercise 1.1 there are question like find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 by using this r plus s divided by 2. Next 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5, again by using this r plus s upon 2. Now we move on to the our next topic, to locate irrational number, on number line. For this, to locate irrational number on number line, for this we have pencil, scale, compass, because this is a part of construction. Like that, we have to locate root 2 on number line. Root 2 on number line. So first you have to draw a line of any centimeter, 5, 6, 7, any centimeter. First you have to draw a line segment of any centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Put here 0 point, after O point to 0 point, after this take 1 centimeter and mark point A. Mark point A. Then draw a 1 centimeter line by making an angle of 90 degree. Make an angle of 90 degree and point mark B. Then there also 1 centimeter line and mark point C and join BC. That means we have to draw a square of 1 centimeter OABC. Square of 1 centimeter. Easy. After this, join OB. Join OB. We know that in triangle OAB, OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. OA 1 centimeter, AB 1 centimeter. That means 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Square root of 2. That means OB is root 2. Length of OB is square root of 2. Now we use the compass, put at point O and open to the point B. Take the length of OB and cut an arc like this. Cut an arc like this. On this point, this is the belongs to root 2, and this point is represent the root 2. First, I will repeat the process. First, you have to draw a line segment of any measurement. After this, mark point A. Draw a line OA, that is the 1 centimeter. Then point A, draw an angle of 90 degree and cut an arc of 1 centimeter. Mark point B. Same process at point O. Cut an arc of 1 centimeter and mark point C. Join BC. Now we have the square of OABC, that is the 1 centimeter. After this, join OB. Using the Pythagoras theorem, we have find length of the OB. This is the root 2. Then take the length of OB in compass and put the compass at point O and cut an arc like this. This point is root 2. Understand? Then if we want to draw root 3, then how it is possible? At this point OB, we have to draw 1 centimeter of 90 degree and mark point D. And mark point D. Join OD. Join OD. After this, in triangle OBD. OBD. Again use the Pythagoras theorem. OD square is equals to OB square plus BD square. Length of OB is root 2 and length of BD is 1. 2 plus 1, 3 OD square. That means length of the OD is root 3. Length of the OD is root 3. Now we have again put compass here point O. Open it the point D. Taking the length of OD and cut an arc like this. This point is root 3. This point is root 3. Understand? So how we have to represent the irrational number on number line. This is the process to represent on number line. So today's your homework is exercise 1.1 question number 2 and 3. Then exercise 1.2 question number 3 and you have also to draw root 2 and root 3 with this process on in your notebook. Okay, so today's homework you have got it. Then if you have any problem in these all topics, then ask me anytime. I will be there for you 24 hours. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.